Hello to everybody at home and everybody in school. This week's assemblies are about kindness and good deeds, and you will have seen, hopefully, after Celebration Assembly on Monday this week, we introduced our 50 good deeds for 50 years of primary schooling at Brixington. So if you've not seen that, have a look at our YouTube page where we have the Celebration Assembly for you to watch. And we've also got on our Facebook page and our website information about how you can all join in with our Golden Jubilee Challenge, 50 good deeds for 50 primary school years at Brixington. Now, with good deeds in mind, I was asked a very interesting question today. I was talking about our good deeds and talking about how it'd be such a kind thing to do and why kindness was important. And one of our younger children, asked me a really interesting question. She asked me, where does kindness come from? And that's the kind of question that only children would ever ask. It wouldn't even occur to a grown-up like me to think of a question like that. So I'm putting it to you. Where does it come from? That's a really good one for you to discuss with people at home or people in school. Where does kindness actually come from? I thought about it, and I had a few different answers when I talked it through with my family this evening. And I looked into what other people might say. So I looked in our family Bible at what Christians would say about where kindness comes from. And for them, the answer is really simple. For them, the answer is that all kindness comes from God. That all kindness in the world comes from God. And that's what Christians would believe. And there's a passage in the Bible that says, it's from the Jeremiah section of the Bible, and it said, God said, I have loved you with an everlasting love, and I have drawn you with unfailing kindness. And I was interested in that phrase, unfailing kindness. So I want you to imagine what unfailing means. Now we know what failing means. We know what it means to fail with something, to not succeed with something, and we know the prefix un can mean negative, can mean the opposite of or negative. So unfailing is an interesting word. So to show you what it means, I thought I'd just demonstrate something to you that I enjoy doing. If you think of something you really enjoy doing, so something that's fun might be keeping a balloon up in the air, for example. And how long do you reckon you could do this for? I've done it for 10 seconds so far. I'm pretty good at this kind of thing. I don't think it's too tricky. I quite enjoy it. Do you think I could do it for a minute? We could time me, couldn't we? See if I can do it for a minute. Haven't dropped it yet. Think I could do it for a day? Think I could spend all day on Friday this week just tapping this balloon up and down? I could probably, while I'm doing it, eat a sandwich, drink from a straw. I think I could do it. Have to concentrate, but I think I could do it. Think I could do it for a week? Think I could do this balloon for a week? It's quite fun, it's quite easy. I think I get a bit tired after a while. I'm not sure a week is... That might be a bit too much of a change. Think I could do it for a month? A whole month? 30 days? Do you think I could do it between now and Christmas? Just keep doing this until Christmas. It's not too hard to do. I quite like it. Could I keep doing it till Christmas though? I'm not sure. What about another 3 years? What about another 3 years? What about until 2023? I don't think I could. Unfailing means doing it forever. I could not do this forever. It's easy and it's fun, but there's no way I could do it forever. But that's what forever means, never stops. And that's what unfailing means. And Christians believe that God has drawn people. He's made people who have unfailing kindness. And I think that's an important and helpful message. Christians believe that you will never run out of kindness. I'm going to run out of patience to keep hitting this ball up and down. I'm not going to be able to do it for much longer. I'm going to run out of patience. Southampton are playing football in a minute. There's no way I'm going to be able to keep doing this and not watch that. I haven't got the patience for it. The Christians believe that God has said people have unfailing kindness. We could keep being kind forever. We could be kind every day, forever and ever. It's within us. We do have the skill. So I haven't got the skill to keep doing that. But Christians believe I do have the capacity to be kind forever, every day, and never stop being kind. And that's how I know that our 50 good deeds are really very achievable. We can do it. We can all do it together because we have unfailing capacity to be kind. We can be kind every day, forever. And I know that's true because I've met so many of you who prove that to me every day. So make sure you join in with our 50 Good Deeds Challenge. I hope you learn a little bit about what unfailing kindness means, and I know that we can be unfailingly kind between now and the end of term. Thank you for watching.